Hey, we're in Gatlinburg for Thanksgiving, and here's what the trail right outside the town looks like. And we can walk here from our hotel. And it's a long trail. We've been walking for a while. But up there's the traffic. You see a car coming by. So you don't have to be worried about being too far off the road for the bears to get you. But we did see lots of bears last night though. And then there's lots of people that walk through here. Lots of pets walking. It's a deep drop off.